Gaano karami ang ating divers, ma'am, na naghahalinhinan?
As of now, we have a total of 49 divers. And tama po kayo, Manong Ted, top most priority ng pamunuan ng Philippine Coast Guard is really yung safety and kalusugan ng ating technical divers. So meron din po tayong on board na hyperbaric doctors sa area. So every time po, before and after the diving operation, ay meron pong doktor na tumitingin para matiyak po yung kabuang health ng ating mga divers.
Opo. Kayo ho ba may portable na decompression chamber dyan? Para hindi na isusugod sa ospital kung sakasakali po magka-problema yung diver?
As of now, negative tayo dyan, Manong Ted. Pero as day zero, isa yan sa consideration na tinignan po ng Philippine Coast Guard kung gaano kalayo yung ospital in case na magkakaroon ng incident. And that's why we also stage our hyperbaric doctor just to ensure na every day ay makikita natin yung overall healthness po ng ating divers.